Hey, it's Matt from Tradesman Digital Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite tools inside Google Ads, AdWords Wrapper. I'm going to go over what it is, what it does, and why I use it to save a whole bunch of time inside Google Ads. Now, to start off, what is a problem I normally have inside Google Ads? And for me, I normally like to add keywords manually. So say we're adding in pool installation, we're adding in, that wasn't spelled correctly, pool, contractors near me, and we're just adding in a whole bunch. Let's say even above ground pool installation near me. Now, I normally love to add these keywords in exact match. The issue with that is I would have to manually type in the actual brackets around each and every one of these keywords, and that gets a little time consuming and annoying. So what I like to do is use a tool called AdWords Wrapper. And essentially what AdWords Wrapper does is it allows you to wrap keywords really, really quickly. So what I mean by this is we're going to copy all of our keywords over to AdWords Wrapper. I'm going to come to the website, adwordswrapper.com. We're going to paste our keywords in here, and then I'm going to hit wrap keywords. Now, the fantastic thing about this is it saves you so much time. You can see that all of our keywords have been added to exact match, as well as every other match type you could ever want. It's really, really handy, and it saves us a whole bunch of time. So when we come back here, we can paste it where our keyword section is, and now all of our keywords have been added to exact match, and it has saved us a whole bunch of time instead of manually having to type every single bracket out. Now, I know there's only like 4 different keywords here, but imagine a long list with 50 to 100 keywords. It's going to take a long time to wrap brackets around every single one of them. So AdWords Wrapper saves us a whole bunch of time. I absolutely love using it. It's one of my favorite tools inside Google Ads, and it's completely free of charge, so you don't got to worry about anything. It doesn't track you. It doesn't require an email. It's completely free to use. It's absolutely wonderful. And it also does phrase match, broad match, whatever you want. It still does broad match modified, which is no longer applicable, but all of the keywords are here. It's an absolutely fantastic tool. And it's designed by Michael Wong, so shout out to that guy. He's absolutely awesome for designing AdWords Wrapper. So this is a way to save a lot of time inside Google Ads. I absolutely love this tool. Please use it if you're making long lists of keywords. It'll save you a whole bunch of time. But if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this, leave them down in the comments section down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day and take care.